Meet the kakapo, the world's largest parrot. They weigh around 4 kilograms, and because of their heavy weight, they cannot fly. However, they are experts at climbing trees. At one time, kakapos were among New Zealand's most successful herbivorous animals, using their strong beaks to crack nuts and feed themselves. Kakapos breed only once every 4 years. This is because they live much longer than most other birds, up to nearly 100 years. Sadly, today these remarkable birds are on the critically endangered list, as only 237 kakapos remain in the wild, and they may soon face extinction.